CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Clear with this one. This part right now. Yes. Great. So what we'll do? We'll quickly create at least 5-6 invoices, because that will need for adjustments also. So I just copied this noise. Supplying voice copying. Okay. This change number. Let us submit this one. What else we should do? This time, let's put text for also. That's fine. You have at 4% that we can do. The jury to write. Let's say tomorrow's the jury for this one. And this will need a call center. So this already there. Linked. I think there's some latency. And the back end of the book will come over this. Change, 7 said, but the neighbor. Create this. Yeah. Yeah. First of all, she's there, but I think there's some issue at the service or something, because we are trying and it's not a sometime. It's working. Sometimes it's not working. I'm not sure what the issue is. So that 1,500 invites is there or not there? No, 15 days. Not that it does 15, which we just created before this. There's only one invoice for this one. Well, there's some latency at the back end. If you don't know why it do all the service. So this also got submitted. So between voices now. There's some network issue only. So let's create one more. At least we'll see one at the spin of the evidence credit. At least 2-3 voices are required. Let's see. Keeping a montage 50, only we can change it. Never mind, we can always change it. So we can make it like also. Also. Okay. Let's get one more. Let me go from here on. So. Bloody noise. Copy. After this, we'll have 6 classes left. A few topics to go on. which we'll do for sure. 1,000. Let it submit. We got one error about the invoice number. Yeah, let's send it. Okay. Now the few voices here. Let's go back to our invoices. So we got like 4 invoices, which is good. Now with this 25,000, with creating a noise adjustment here, just like at the customer side. We did that. Something happened. We may be paying less. We may be paying high. We may be paying less, but we may be paying less. So we'll say, let's go to this supply noise and grade adjustment. Adjustment reason. Let's say damaged goods. Supplier delivered, damage goes to us. Now increase. Every is an R? N. That because we are liable to pay more, right? We're liable to pay to supply. So if you're increasing, it means we want to pay more to the supplier. But it's a damage good way. So it means we'll be paying less to the supplier. So we'll say, decrease liability. We'll select it. And let's save and continue. And OK. So this is, we'll get rid of the sticks. Payment down here is fine. Damage good. So let's see how much we're paying less. We'll say 1,000. So we'll say 24,000 now. So you're done that. Now, if you see this adjustment here. Okay. So it's their reference invoices here. Which we just the original invoice. This is the adjustment invoice number. And it's like, supply number is 50, adjustment number is 50 here. What's? The number is 50. Now, if you look at the original invoice here. So this is why most numbers was 30 here. Total invoice is 25,000 here. But we do have an adjustment here which later on will change the amount. So, if you look at the overall amount of supplier, go to supplier. And this is the balance. Okay. So what happened is, we said 24,000 here means we are paying only 1,000 that supply. Now the invoice amount was 25,000. We said we are increasing the level to 24,000. So there's only 1,000 amount left there. So that's why 1,000 along with this, if you see here it was in payments, and there's a way also to check some reports also. So if you go to, I'll show you where you can do that under related reports. So if you're not related reports, you go there and you say payable, aging, or open items. Open items will show all the opening invoices that you have to pay. So, click on Open Items here. And you can see here. OK. And it OK. So it's 50 and the 24,000. This one's.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.